This is Bx6 SBS to select bus Hunts Point. Next stop, West 155th Street and Amsterdam Avenue. Transfer available to the C train, M3, M100, and M101 Limited. The stop is West 155th Street and Amsterdam Avenue. Next stop, East 161st Street and River Avenue. Transfer available to the 4, B, and D trains, and Bx13. This stop is East 161st and River Avenue. Next stop, East 161st Street and Sherman Avenue. Transfer available to Bx13. This stop is East 161st Street and Sherman Avenue. Next stop, East 163rd Street and 3rd Avenue. Transfer available to Bx15 and Bx21. This stop is East 163rd Street and 3rd Avenue. Next stop, East 163rd Street and Prospect Avenue. Transfer available to Bx17. This stop is East 163rd Street and Prospect Avenue. Next stop, East 163rd Street and Interval Avenue. Transfer available to the 2 and 5 trains, Bx4 and Bx4A. This stop is East 163rd Street and Intervals Avenue. Next stop, Hunts Point Avenue and Bruckner Boulevard. Transfer available to Bx5. This stop is Hunts Point Avenue and Bruckner Boulevard. Next stop, Hunts Point Avenue and Sienke Avenue. Next stop, Hunts Point Avenue and Coster Street. This stop is Hunts Point Avenue and Coster Street. Next stop, Halsek Street and Spofford Avenue. Next stop, Halsek Street and Food Center Drive. Transfer available to Bx46. This stop is Halsek Street and Food Center Diver. Next stop, Halsek Street and Lyle Avenue. Next stop, Royal Avenue and Halsek Avenue. Next stop, Food Center Drive and Fulton Fish Market. Transfer available to Bx46. This stop is Food Center Drive and Fulton Fish Market. Next stop, Food Center Drive and Farragut Avenue. This stop is Food Center Drive Farragut. Next stop, Food Center Drive and Hunts Point Market. Next stop, Food Center Drive and 155th Food Center Drive. This stop is Food Center Drive and 155th. Next stop, Food Center Drive and Terminal. Transfer available to the 6th train and Bx46. This stop is Food Center Drive and Terminal. This is Bx6 SBS to select bus Hunts Point. This is Bx6 SBS to select bus Washington Heights Riverside Drive. Please exit through the rear door.